Hey guys, in this video I wanted to share with you how I encase or slab my own cards. These blank holders are available from a variety of online stores. They come in two pieces and fit together. They're very similar to holders you'd find from grading companies. It's a great way to slab and display your cards if you don't want to send them off to get graded. They're about 140 millimeters by 80 millimeters and they are 6 millimeters thick when assembled. They should be able to accommodate cards up to 90 millimeters by 65 millimeters. I use them mainly for Pokemon cards, but they should be able to fit other cards that are similar in size. The borders are frosted and the areas for the card and label are clear. The top label area is 63 millimeters by 20 millimeters. You can print labels and stick it in here to describe the card. For my purposes, I have a logo with some details of the card. I created the labels with an image program called Inkscape and then printed it on my laser color printer. I'll leave a link to the Inkscape template for the labels in the description if you're interested in printing some of your own. You can add whatever logo you want and change the text, and after printing them you can cut them to size with scissors. Before placing the card in the slab, I like to put the card in a Dragon Shield Sealable perfect fit sleeve. This type of sleeve protects the card from all sides. Unlike a normal perfect fit, there is an extra flap at the top to seal it. This also prevents the card from bouncing around inside and gives it some added protection. A normal perfect sleeve should be fine, but I think a penny sleeve would be too big. The holders just snap together and are held by friction. They do have a tendency to come apart if it's not in some sort of fitted bag. So if you want to make it a bit more permanent, I recommend adding a bit of super glue around the edges and then put it under something heavy to dry. I put a few dabs in the corners and the sides. Just be very careful and don't put too much or it'll ooze into the holder and ruin your card. After sandwiching the two halves together, put some weight on it. You can probably sonically seal it if you have the machine, but super glue is good enough for me. After it's all put together, I'll put the whole thing into a snug outer bag to give it another layer of protection. I think these are a great way to display and seal your cards, especially if you don't want to send them in for grading. Unlike screw-downs or magnetic one-touch cases, you can customize the text and logo however you like. If you don't plan to sell some of these cards, sealing them yourself will be a good option. Anyways, that's it for this video. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.